How to germinate tomato seeds. Actually, these small tomato seedlings are prepared from just 5 days back, and in today's video I will show you a complete scenario of tomato seed germination from day 1 to day 15 when these tomato plants are get prepared for planting on land or on container. So let's get started from day 1. That's the footage of day 1 when I prepare my tomato seedling for their germination process. I want to use a hybrid variety of tomato. So to prepare the seed, at first you have to wash them properly and wet them on water for at least 10 to 12 hours. And in this small cup, I just wet these seeds from last 15 hours. Now I want to plant them on this grow bed, and to preparing this grow bed I want to mix up 75% of coco peat and 25% of organic compost. For seed germination, actually dry compost is best because they have no kind of fungal issues or no kind of uh, insect type problem on a dry compost. So I want to prefer you to use a dry compost to prepare your seed bed. Now add some water on it and set up all the seeds by maintaining a small distancing. Some people are preparing seedlings on grow bed without any kind of fertilizer, but I want to suggest you that mix a little bit of at least 25% of organic compost, because if your plant are healthy in young age they will get a greater result when they are bigger. So just cover this whole setup, and that's the footage after 5 days. You can see newly sprouted seedlings of tomatoes. In this time I just set up them on the full sunlighted area, because sunlight should stronger the health and stamina of these young seedlings. Neither if I in the first stage of germination process I was place my seed tray on a shadow area, but after the seeds are get germinated I just transplant them on a sunny area, because sunlight should improve their immune system and it will produce a healthy seedlings of tomatoes. So that's the footage after 7 days. It's time to transplant these seedlings from the grow bed to growing pot, because I want to prepare these seedlings for my hydroponic system. For this reason I want to grow them in this net cup or one time disposable cup. One more thing, if you are growing tomatoes hydroponically, then you must prepare your seedlings from a small age on a net cup or on a one time cup, because if they are grow bigger and then transplant you on these types of cups, then it may cause a problem to set up on this hydroponic system. But if they are transplanted on a small age, then there is no problem will be detected. To take one by one and press a small hole on this coco peat and set up the seedlings on here. Now in next footage I will show you the growth of these seedlings after 2 days of transplanting. You can see all the plants are properly set up and they are growing well. There is no problem issue or 0% mortality rate on this transplantation. In the next footage, I will show you the growth of these seedlings after 15 days when they are already prepared for transplanting on my hydroponic system. And on this stage, you can also transplant them on container or on direct soil. There is the footage of germination process after 15 days, and you can see the growth of all the plants, and they are really healthy and already prepared for transplanting on the hydroponic system or on the container. After transplanting this plant on hydroponic or on a soil based media, you will get result within next 30 days. Within next 15 days they will start blooming flower, and within next 30 days they will start fruiting. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more update about these tomato plants, then please subscribe the channel, because I will upload new videos about this tomato plant growing on my channel. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.